Hi, viewers. You feeling stressed, scattered, and longing for calm? Imagine stepping into a tranquil haven where raked sand ripples like waves, miniature trees whisper wisdom, and every stone whispers peace. This isn't some faraway retreat. It's your own Zen garden, a sanctuary you can create right at home. Join me on this journey to unleash your inner peace through the art of Zen gardening. In this step-by-step guide, we'll unlock the secrets of this ancient practice, from choosing calming elements to crafting your own miniature oasis. Forget complicated tools and expensive materials. We'll explore budget-friendly ways to build your Zen retreat, even if you just have a tiny balcony. Ready to transform your space and yourself? Click play, and let's begin your journey to inner peace, one mindful step at a time. Finding your inner haven, unveiling the Zen garden's magic. Imagine closing your eyes, escaping the daily hustle, and entering a world of serene beauty. Lush moss carpets your steps, smooth stones offer silent meditations, and rippling sand calms your mind like gentle waves. This isn't a dream, it's the magic of a Zen garden, a sanctuary waiting to be discovered, right within your reach. But what exactly is a Zen garden, and how can it unlock the door to your inner peace? More than just rocks and sand, these miniature landscapes are steeped in ancient wisdom, each element carefully chosen to evoke tranquility and mindfulness. Think of them as living poems, where every rock whispers stories of resilience, and every raked line in the sand invites you to be present in the moment. Unlike traditional gardens bursting with color and life, Zen gardens embrace simplicity, focusing on the essence of nature's serenity. But don't be fooled by their minimalist facade. Beneath the peaceful surface lies a profound philosophy rooted in Zen Buddhism. These gardens were designed as tools for meditation, helping practitioners cultivate focus, clarity, and a sense of oneness with the universe. And guess what? The power of Zen gardens isn't reserved for monks and monasteries. It's a universal language waiting to be spoken by anyone seeking inner peace. Studies have shown that simply gazing at a Zen garden can lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and even boost creativity. So, whether you're a seasoned meditator or simply yearning for a moment of calm amidst life's chaos, the Zen garden offers a path to tranquility. In the next section, we'll embark on a practical journey, unraveling the secrets of creating your own personal haven step by step. But for now, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and imagine the peaceful haven that awaits you. Your journey to inner peace begins here. Building your Zen sanctuary, from humble scraps to tranquil paradise. Remember that serene image you conjured in the last section? Now, let's make it a reality. Building your Zen garden doesn't require a master gardener's touch or a bottomless budget. In fact, the beauty lies in its simplicity, using everyday elements to craft your own slice of peace. Think of it like creating a calming still life. We'll start with the canvas. A shallow container, even a repurposed tray, can become your foundation. Fill it with smooth, raked sand white, gray, or even natural tones. The choice is yours. This sea of tranquility symbolizes impermanence and invites you to let go of worries. Now, the rocks, these silent guardians, bring stability and represent mountains or islands in the sand's vastness. Choose smooth, weathered stones in varying sizes, arranging them with intention. Remember, there's no right way. Your intuition is your guide, but a true Zen garden isn't just rocks and sand. Let's add a touch of life with plants. Opt for low-growing, evergreen varieties like creeping thyme, miniature ferns, or bonsai trees. Their gentle presence evokes harmony with nature and adds a touch of color without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Speaking of maintenance, don't worry, it's minimal. Simply rake the sand to create calming patterns, mimicking ripples or wind-blown dunes. Water your plants as needed, and enjoy the meditative act of caring for your miniature world. Pro tip: want to elevate your Zen experience? Consider incorporating a water feature. A small fountain or bamboo spout trickling into a shallow basin adds the soothing sound of flowing water, further deepening your sense of calm. Remember, your Zen garden is a personal reflection. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add a weathered lantern for a touch of warmth, arrange some shells to evoke the ocean's serenity, or even incorporate miniature sculptures that resonate with you. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your simple materials, and get ready to transform your space and yourself with the magic of Zen gardening. In the next section, we'll explore creative design ideas, tailoring your haven to fit even the smallest balconies or corners. Stay tuned, your peaceful oasis awaits. Crafting your Zen design from tiny balconies to grand visions. Now, let's get creative. Remember, your Zen garden doesn't need a sprawling backyard. Even a tiny balcony or a quiet corner can become your personal sanctuary. In this section, we'll unveil design secrets to fit your unique space and style. Balcony bliss, limited square footage? No problem. Opt for a shallow container garden using vertical elements like hanging planters or moss-covered walls to maximize space. Bonsai trees or miniature succulents thrive in smaller environments, and a mini bamboo fountain brings the music of water even to your urban oasis. Indoor tranquility? Craving peace within your home? A tabletop Zen garden becomes your meditative companion. Use a decorative tray filled with sand, arrange a few smooth stones, and add a single air plant for a touch of life. Place it on your desk, coffee table, or bedside, bringing mindfulness to your everyday moments. Going big, staying Zen, have ample space to dream. Let your creativity flow. Design a winding pathway through your larger Zen garden using stepping stones and gravel. Create different islands with varying rock arrangements and textures, and introduce a water feature like a koi pond for a touch of grandeur. Remember, balance is key even in larger spaces. Keep the overall design minimalist and serene. Beyond the basics, ready to personalize your haven. Here are some inspiring ideas. Embrace different styles. Explore the dry landscape style with raked gravel and abstract rock arrangements, or go for a more traditional look with moss gardens and miniature pagodas. Incorporate natural materials. Use bamboo fencing, weathered wood accents, or even smooth river stones to add a touch of rustic charm. Let light play its role. Position your Zen garden where it receives soft, filtered light. Consider adding lanterns or candles for a warm, inviting ambiance in the evenings. Remember, your Zen garden is a canvas for your inner peace. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match styles, and let your intuition guide you. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the philosophy and principles of Zen gardening, enriching your experience and connecting you to the ancient wisdom embedded within this practice. Stay tuned. The journey continues. Deepening your Zen journey beyond rocks and sand. Remember how we mentioned Zen gardens being more than just aesthetics? It's time to unveil the deeper wisdom woven into their design. By understanding the principles and philosophy, you can transform your Zen garden from a pretty scene to a powerful tool for inner transformation. Rule of less is more. Simplicity reigns supreme in Zen gardens, reflecting the Buddhist concept of impermanence. Every element from the choice of stones to the raked sand patterns embodies the idea of letting go and embracing the present moment. Finding harmony in asymmetry. Unlike many Western gardens, Zen gardens embrace asymmetry. This deliberate unevenness represents the natural world's beauty in imperfection, reminding us that true balance often lies in accepting the inherent wabi-sabi nature of existence. Nature whispers wisdom. Every element in your Zen garden connects you to the natural world. The rocks represent mountains, the water symbolizes flow, and the plants echo life's resilience. By observing and interacting with these elements, you cultivate a deeper appreciation for the world around you and your place within it. Mindfulness in every rake. Remember the act of raking the sand? It's more than just maintenance. It's a form of moving meditation. Each mindful stroke quiets the mind, teaches focus, and allows you to be present in the moment. Beyond the garden, while Zen gardens offer a dedicated space for mindfulness, their impact extends beyond their borders. The tranquility you cultivate within your haven spills over into your daily life, fostering a sense of calm and appreciation in every interaction. Connecting to traditions, want to delve deeper? Explore famous Zen gardens like Ryoen-ji in Kyoto or Adachi Garden in Yasugi. Studying their design principles and history offers a window into the rich cultural heritage embedded in this practice. Books and resources? Feeling inspired? Numerous books and resources can guide your Zen gardening journey. From design guides to philosophical explorations, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Remember, your Zen garden is a lifelong exploration. As you learn, experiment, and connect with its deeper meaning, you'll find it becoming more than just a beautiful space. It will transform into a personal sanctuary, a reflection of your inner peace, and a constant reminder to seek harmony within and without. So, stay curious, stay present, and stay tuned for the next section, where we'll explore how Zen gardening benefits not just you, but everyone around you, making the world a more peaceful place, one serene haven at a time. Zen for everyone, sharing the ripple effect of inner peace. Remember that feeling of serene calm you imagined at the beginning of this journey? Imagine now the transformative power of sharing that peace with others. Yes, the magic of Zen gardening extends beyond your personal haven, creating a ripple effect of tranquility that touches everyone around you. Children and Zen. Think kids can't appreciate the mindfulness of Zen gardens? Think again. Creating a miniature Zen garden together fosters creativity, teaches focus, and encourages a connection with nature. Imagine the joy of raking the sand together, giggling at wobbly bonsai trees, and learning the calming power of quiet observation. Growing together, Zen gardening becomes a family activity, nurturing connection and communication. Discuss the meaning behind each element, share mindful moments of silence, and watch as your shared garden becomes a symbol of peace and togetherness. Beyond the family, sharing your Zen haven with friends, neighbors, or even coworkers can offer a welcome respite from daily stress. Invite them to participate in raking the sand, offer a peaceful space for quiet conversation, and witness the calming effect it has on everyone who enters. Workplace oasis? Feeling stressed at work? Consider bringing a touch of Zen to your office. A tabletop Zen garden becomes a personal sanctuary, offering stress relief during breaks and encouraging mindful moments throughout the day. Share the practice with colleagues, creating a more peaceful and productive work environment for everyone. Community impact? Want to make a bigger difference? Consider creating a community Zen garden. Partner with local organizations, schools, or parks to transform a shared space into a haven of peace for everyone to enjoy. Watch as this collaborative effort strengthens community bonds and promotes mental well-being for all. Remember, every Zen garden, no matter its size or location, becomes a beacon of tranquility. By sharing its calming energy, you contribute to a ripple effect of peace, making the world a more mindful and harmonious place, one serene haven at a time. So, don't just create your own Zen garden, share its magic with others. Invite them to experience the transformative power of mindful moments, connect with nature's beauty, and discover the inner peace that awaits within each of us. This concludes our journey through the art of Zen gardening. Remember, this is just the beginning. As you create your own haven, explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the process. May your Zen garden be a source of endless peace, inspiration, and a constant reminder that tranquility is always within reach. Final thoughts. As we reach the end of this journey, remember, your Zen garden isn't just a collection of rocks and sand. It's a gateway to inner peace, a reflection of your unique spirit, and a ripple of tranquility waiting to touch the world. So, take a deep breath, gather your inspiration, and begin crafting your own haven. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on mindfulness, Zen practices, and creating beautiful spaces that nurture your soul. Remember, the path to inner peace starts with a single step, and maybe, just maybe, that step starts with a rake in your hand and a heart full of serenity. Until next time, be well, be present, and let your Zen garden guide you on your journey towards inner peace.